So I'll be making fruit cake, so let me grease my pan. This is how I grease my pan. Remember my hands are clean. Hi guys, we're making Christmas fruit cake. Let's get started. Okay, I'm using both margarine and oil for this recipe. This is our sugar, 380 grams of sugar. Next is to add my oil. I need 200 ml of vegetable oil. So at eye level, I used King's oil. This is King's oil. I transfer from the bigger jar into a smaller jar before using it. We'll add our oil gradually. It's time to get the eggs. This is 1 cup of soaked fruits. So I don't like to add it directly because I don't like to get the chunks. Okay, so I'm going to puree it a bit in this. So after pounding the fruits, this is what it looks like. Can you guys see? This fruit was soaked in rum. I used 501 as a regular rum. Here is the drink I soaked it in. If you do not take alcohol, you can use fresh fruit juice to soak your fruits. But if you're okay with this, the strength is not too bad. But it's something that is very common, and that's what many people in Nigeria use. Some other persons use Jameson and some other drinks, but this one is common and more affordable. This helps in the preservation as well. I don't want it too strong, but this is okay. It's good to add baking powder lastly, almost at the end, because you know it reacts with moisture, so it doesn't start rising before you finish mixing. So if you like, you can still use your hand mix, but my mixer, I'll use my hand to do it. Castor's butter. This is me adding. This is totally optional. I'm adding because I have them right at home. Nothing else. Take a look at what our fruit cakes look like. Hi guys, so my cake is in the oven. I'm using the electric oven to bake. The first time I used the electric oven to bake, God, my cake didn't turn out well. And this time around, God, I commit this cake into your hands. There's light. Let me use the electric to bake now. Hey Joe. God. Hey. Jesus. This apron is making me feel somehow. My God, this is what market women see. They wear apron from morning till evening when they sleep. God, I beg you. What's the time? I have meeting in the next 45 minutes. God, we commit this our cake into your hands. You know, when you get something new, when you've not used something for the first time, you're advised to test it once, twice, 3 times before you key into it. And the first time I tried this in the oven, I wasn't sure if I got the metrics right, but after that time, I've taken time to study the oven, and this is the second attempt. But don't burn my cake. Baking things are expensive. I'll give to my sister, please. I'm going to office.